Yeah. Say hi to the ducky. Walk over here. There he is, V. Look at him. Nice, right? He uses his feet to push in the water.
I like those ducks can't swim by the
Yeah. I'm going to take those are swans. Swans.
What ones are they?
Those are geese. Yeah.
I want the white ones.
Swans.
Sometimes I want the white ones be geese. I want the white ones be...
The white ones are swans.
I want them to be geese.
You want them to be geese? You want to change the name of the animals?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are they? Look at them over there walking. There they are. Go say hi to them. Don't get too close. Well, you got a duck too. What's the name of that duck in your hand? Duckity duck duck?
Yeah.
Wow. I like that. That name fits him well.
Feel him.
Oh, he's so soft.
Hey, feel him. He's soft.
Yes, he's a soft ducky.
I wish the real ducks can't feel him.
Yeah. All right. Say bye-bye to everybody. We're bird watching. Yeah, bird watching.